Happy animals are free animals. What comes to mind when you think of a circus? Magicians, acrobats, music, and performers. Animals have also been a part of circuses, but their life as circus performers is pitiable. Countries across the world are banning the use of wild animals in circuses. Denmark recently bought the 4 last circus elephants to put a complete ban on animals in circuses in the country. These jumbos will be allowed to lead a peaceful life. When wild animals are brought into circus life, they are kept in captivity, treated badly, and even beaten. Isn't it a high price to pay for entertainment? Don't you agree? In India, big cats like tigers, leopards are banned in circuses. Our government is working towards banning the use of horses, elephants, hippos, and also dogs in circuses.